Hey guys, welcome to the Madeira family. Andrew is going to take over and he is going to start working on framing out the transition, and he'll show you exactly what he's doing. So before Andrew jumps on and explains everything, he is just prepping right now. We had to cut a little bit more of the roof just so he could start welding. So these flaps are just temporary. They're not going to be there forever, obviously. So he's going to measure out exactly how long he needs the piping to be, and then he's going to start putting the piping up and welding it. Super exciting. Hey guys, so this camera just keeps dying, but Andrew got the first post up. There you go. Got the first post up and everything's going smoothly right now, knock on wood. So hopefully the camera will stay on for the next one.
Alright, so I was just going to explain like what I'm doing here. Putting up some transition. Yeah, you can't fly. Oh, you can't see it. Putting up some transition pieces just to hold the sheet metal. You know, there's a huge gap here that's 5 feet with nothing. So I got to weld in some tubing and so the sheeting can sit on it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll show you guys some up close shots. Just welded this bar in. And this one. Gonna make it onto the third one. I'm gonna explain what we did. Alright, so my wife showed me how to use this stupid thing. God. Alright, well this is what we're doing out here. Most people do it from like that transition at the top there, right down to that one right there. But I feel like that was too steep, so I just wanted to go all the way to the front. So it's going to be a nice gradual transition instead of just that steep one, because we raised it 24 inches and I feel like it just looks outrageous when it's just almost flat in the front on the top, even though the front of the bus is flat. So, but anyway, that's what we're doing, just welding some bars in. Oh my god, way better. Wowza. Okay. Alright, well, let me put in another bar here. Second. So I just did some grinding. You want to grind the spots that you're going to weld to. And you also want to grind the ends of what you're welding to those spots, so the weld's better. Wear protection and stuff. I just don't because I'm an idiot. And it's 95 degrees out right now too, so you notice I'm sweating. See if we can get you guys in the corner here, looking up. Cool.
It is super hot out today. We are dying. Andrew's trying to get the roof raise structure finished, so we're really excited that that is taking place right now. If you guys have questions, comments, anything, let us know. We'll be happy to help. What are you doing, monster? We're hopefully wrapping up this roof raise shortly, and then we can start working on a little bit more of the bus. But coming back, say hi. Say hi to everybody. It is so hot today. Holy cow. Like I said, if you have questions, comments, anything, let us know. Oh, you're showing them pouring water. Good job. Thanks, guys. See you next week.